display, y'all. I was quiet at first because I was trying to focus on the road, and then it started drizzling, so yeah, that's how it is. Good old Germany weather for you. This video is an acceleration video with the race axle back. So of course right now I'm in the Sport Plus mode with the DSC off. The only difference I noticed is that, you know, there's no traction control, so none of the lights come on, and also you get more burbles. But in efficient mode it's just as quick. So I mean, that's according to Terry Burgers per his email. So check out the app, display. I'm on map 2, ran out of E, but map 2 is pretty quick. So let me take it off the put it in efficient mode. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the GoPro on the side of the car because I don't want it to fall off. I mean, I'm sure it won't fall off. I've driven like 3-4 hours with it on, so. But just pull up over here. Seems like some people hanging out over here. So I'm gonna pull up over here. Gloves on today, but it's all right. At least it didn't rain all day. Well, as y'all can tell, see, no check engine light. That's one of the glories of having a JB4. I know that you can, there's tunes out now from different companies. I think maybe 2. One, the red M4, and there's another company in the UK that has an actual tune, and you know, you could permanently turn off the check engine light. But I mean, I'm okay right now with the JB4. Reason being, since I bought it and they don't want to waste any money, because you know, who's gonna buy it once the tunes are out, you know? So I'm having fun utilizing it right now, and I will go get dynoed to see what I'm making on pump and on E. So definitely trying to do that before the winter also. So I got some winter tires for the car, and using my stock wheels. Nobody wanted to buy them because my plan was to get the stock 18s and 19s from the dealer once somebody buys the 19s and 20s, but since nobody bought them, they're lost. You know, I was selling them for dirt cheap. I'm talking cheap. And so I got some decent winter tires, some Hancooks, some I think they're W320s winter tires. Not bad. So, and I'm not driving this all throughout winter. I'm just driving it to get winter pictures at certain places. But you don't want to have summer tires in this car during the winter. I mean, that's kind of a given in any winter environment, but the reason why I say that is because there was a M4, I believe, last winter, and yeah, unfortunately he had an accident. So, oh well. I mean, more power to him. Apparently insurance, you know, paid it all out, and he either got another one or not. I don't know the guy, but you know, it sucks. But in Germany, come November, by the law, you have to have winter tires. If you get in an accident or something happens to you, you're not going to get paid out by insurance. You're going to have to pay a fine. You're going to pay a fine per the state or the Polizei, one of the two. I know that for a fact. I just can't remember if it's from the Polizei or from the state. But yeah, you're going to have to pay that fine. and also insurance may not cover you as well. So that's you know, some of the things you come in effect with. So we'll take off this way. Oh, this is perfect. I hope y'all like the video. Again, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all next time. All right, y'all.